Okay, so I just got home, got a package sitting at the door. Not sure where it's from, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for y'all. So I have one of the worst habits in the world of ordering stuff and not remembering what I ordered. So stuff be sitting at the door, and now that I'm starting to open this, it's actually Shein. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Shein really quickly, and then get ready to bust these dishes down and head on to the nail salon soon. So y'all know me, I'm an earring girl. I ended up getting these earrings here. Really cute, and you guys know I love cheetah print, so that's what I got. I also got some, I tend to call these like a gold color, but they're a mustard. So our school colors are this and like a blue like this. So I bought these to wear these for in the springtime when it actually gets nice outside. All right, so here I have a dress that is rainbow, and here's the front of it. The back does like a crisscross, which is hard to show you guys. So next I had ended up getting this as like, I guess it's supposed to be a dress. And it goes down to almost my knees. So good thing I have like biker shorts to go with these, or like the Bermuda shorts that I recently just bought. So I have this pair of earrings right here. It's a really cute pair of earrings that I felt like I just wanted to get for myself, just like to build up my earring collection lately for some reason. And then I also picked up this pair of earrings right here that comes in a rainbow design. So they are just drop down rainbow earrings, very cute. Next, I ended up getting this skirt. So this is just like a pencil skirt. I hope that it fits because I did order an extra large and probably should have got large. All right, so I also got these orange pair of sandals. I did get them in a size 9, even though it says 41. So in China, size 9 for women's is a 41. All right, so this is a tie-dye dress that I got off of Shein. It is blue, yellow, green, and like a little bit of orange. And so hopefully this fits well and I can wear this out maybe during vacation or just in the summertime when going out. So I got some yellow and blue earrings. Like I said before, these are our school colors. So I thought what better way to bring in school-wide morning meetings than to wear these on a Friday. I did pick up this pair of earrings right here. It is just simply the colors that you see. Got the cheetah print earrings right here. And I have the rainbow earrings right here. I got the orange and gold kind of earrings that you guys see right here. Like I said, I just want to try something different with earrings and just have like some beige kind. And then these say Friday, so I could wear these on like a Friday. So I ended up picking up this shirt here. I feel like this could end up being like a dress as well because it is almost down to my knees. And I could easily wear like some biker shorts with this, and it has like a thing where I can tie it in the front. So all right, so I ended up getting this as well. This is just a shirt. I would only wear this as a shirt just because it's not long enough to be anything else, but it's really adorable, and it has like a tie thing where I could tie it all the way around. Last but not least, I have this skirt right here. So it is a cheetah, like leopard print skirt where I could wear like white or black with this, and just like some sandals to match it, or you know, like something of this color. In this Temu order, I end up getting some women bow tie mules, as well as a strawberry slicer and a potato slicer, and some bottles to juice with, as well as a banana slicer and a nice new lunchbox that comes with a spork, as well as a little fanny pack bag for days where I don't have any pockets, some earrings, and a nice shirt to wear for Easter that just says Happy Easter Peeps. I ended up picking up Sky a two-piece outfit that she can wear as far as like for bed, or she can also wear them as just an outfit. I also picked up a sunflower 38 millimeter wristband for the Apple Watch, as well as the two-piece girls ruffle sleeve skirt and shirt. I also got her this cute little dress right here, and I picked up some of the boots. These are just some low heel ankle boots. And in my second order, I got a lot of great items as well. So I ended up getting the 30-piece fidgets, a Apple Watch band, as well as a raincoat for one of the dogs, but there is also another one in here. I also got a 360-degree rotating jewelry holder that holds earrings and necklaces, and I'm just going to show you guys quickly how to put it together and what it's going to look like at the end. This is something that I really wanted, as I have a lot of earrings and would like to put it on there. At the part right here, I'm just showing the cute little shirt that I got for the dogs. Yellow is mostly for the older one, blue is mostly for the younger one. I also picked up just a cheetah or leopard hat, just something simple you can wear in the next coming seasons. I also picked up these cute little two-colored bows for me and Sky, as these are our school colors and we can wear them on school-wide morning meeting days or on Fridays, and some Squishmallow stickers. These are just cute little stickers that were literally under $3, and it came with an abundance of different styles, as well as a little pair of glasses. These are like some bear glasses, and they just are three-toned pink, purple, and blue. I also picked up some coffee earrings. They just are dangle earrings that I can easily wear and put on my new jewelry stand. And as I said, I did pick up white for this because that was all they had. Normally I try to do blue and yellow for the dogs. I also picked up these earrings. These are just like some bohemian earrings that I found. Comes with an extra set of the little clear things that go on the back of the earrings. I picked up Cam a Sonic hat. Shocking that Temu had this hat, so I just had to order it. It is a snapback type of hat in the back, and an egg slicer that comes with 3 different ways to slice the eggs, and a holder where the egg goes in the middle. Just a cute little gadget that I found for under $3 as well. Some more of the bows. I bought 1 pack for myself, 1 pack for Sky, and they come with the alligator clip on the back to put in the hair. A cheetah watch band, which would go great on my watch band, as sometimes I do get tired of the rubber kind. I also picked up these mama earrings, as they are in leopard as well. So with all these earrings, it's gonna be great for me to be able to put on my stack. I picked up these extra small pet booties, as the dogs go outside when it is raining, and I thought, what better thing to have than this, so that they're not bringing a bunch of dirt or a bunch of mud or a bunch of water back in the house. So can't wait to try those out. I did pick up some teacher stickers, as Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up, and I can create something using these stickers for my kids' teachers or something like that. They also had a garlic chopper that comes with 2 different blades. You can slice, dice, and grate garlic in this. So the blade is on the bottom, and then there's already a blade in there. So that is how that works, and you just will remove the top in order to get the garlic out. I also picked up some of these scary movie character stickers. It comes, like I said, in a variety pack of all different scary characters. And then I also picked up the Mardi Gras stickers that comes in different styles and says different things. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and commenting down below.